Hey guys, welcome back to MINNICK Family. Just taking a look at the sheep here, and I don't know if you can see it. Let's see how she's like breathing a little heavier, and these two are not. So I'm almost certain she's in heat because this guy is losing it. But looks like everybody's doing good. I was just looking up there between deworming and vaccinations for lambs, and we won't actually lamb until early next year, March, April, sometime around there, because these girls are only 6-7 months old, so they still got a little bit. Looks like they are losing their some of their winter hair, but he's looking kind of scraggly over there. But yeah, so we moved them, and they've been rubbing around on that partially burnt out stump from last year, so they got black streaks on them. But it looks like everybody's doing good. They're good little mowers. So everybody's eating and drinking and pooping like crazy. But yeah, looks like the farmers are out. They're starting to till. But yeah, so it'll be nice when they're actually out there. And of course, I'm still waiting on material for fencing, that is. But just want to give you a quick shout out, say hey, let you know what's going on. Chickens are loose. But yeah, we got some activities going on, so we'll see ya. But hit that like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.